Okay, step 2 of the cow catcher. Now that I've got my the base plane, I need to create a second home plate shaped pentagon up above that. The way I do that is create a work plane offset from a plane. Now you don't need to create more than one work plane. The first thing we want to do is in the browser, select the plane that we created the first polygon on. There it is, right? And now all I have to do is enter the offset. That would be the height of the cow catcher, essentially, which is 0.75. Enter. There's my work plane for the second pentagon. And essentially, I don't know if you can visualize this yet, but we're going to create a pentagon here, a home plate shaped pentagon, and then we're going to loft between those two pentagons, and that'll give us our general outline of the cow catcher. So we need a sketch on this plane. Always make sure you hover over it until it's highlighted, then select that, and I'm going to draw this one again. I like to start with the origin at the middle, so my first point is going to be negative 0.6 because it's 1.2 wide, and it's 1.2 wide, angle of 0. This part here is the same height, 0.25 inches. Then again, same thing. I don't really care about where this point ends up as long as it's centered. Then this one I'm going to move over until I see those dotted lines and I know I'm lined up with those other 2 points. Drag it down there, and there's my general shape. But again, notice I'm not constrained, so I'm going to lock in one of those points there. Now my first 3 segments are constrained. I can make, because I know I'm going to have to because I did on the other one, those 2 equal, and then those 2 equal, and then the distance from the base to the tip is not given, but I know that well, let's see, let me take a look. Yeah, it is given. It's 0.75. So I go from here to here, should be 0.75. Let's see how that looks. Okay, there we go. Fully constrained. Done with my sketch. Next step to get the general shape is to loft between them. So there's my loft command in the browser. Pick the 2 profiles. There's one. There's one. There's my loft. OK. Lastly, make sure you're done with the work plane. Right-click on it and turn off the visibility because that'll just be annoying from forever after. And that's the end of the second step.